Did you know that rosemary is a popular aromatic herb in various cultures around the world? Its delicious aroma and medicinal properties have captivated people for centuries. But have you ever stopped to think about the benefits of rosemary and rosemary tea for your health? In this video, we will explore the 11 surprising benefits that this plant can provide for our well-being. So, get ready to discover how rosemary can transform your life. Have you ever imagined that a small herb could bring so many benefits to your body and mind? Well, rosemary has a lot to offer. From digestive problems to memory issues, it can be a true ally for your health. In this video, we will reveal surprising information about rosemary and present solutions for various problems you may be facing. If you are looking for a natural and powerful way to improve your quality of life, this video is for you. So keep watching to discover the 11 incredible benefits of rosemary and rosemary tea for your health. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your life in a simple and natural way. 1. Improvement of digestion. One of the impressive advantages of rosemary is its ability to improve digestion. If you suffer from abdominal cramps or constipation, rosemary can be a powerful ally to relieve these problems. Its medicinal properties help stimulate the digestive system, promoting better bowel function. Additionally, rosemary has relaxing effects on the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which helps relieve spasms and cramps. With regular consumption of rosemary tea or using this herb as a seasoning in meals, you can experience a significant improvement in your digestion, providing more comfort and well-being for your digestive system. 2. Stimulating memory and concentration. If you are looking to improve your memory and increase your concentration, rosemary can be an excellent choice. Scientific studies have suggested that regular consumption of rosemary is associated with stimulating memory and cognitive performance. It is believed that the compounds present in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid, have neuroprotective and antioxidant properties that help improve brain function. Furthermore, the aroma of rosemary has been used as an aromatherapy technique to stimulate the brain, helping to increase concentration and attention. Therefore, if you are looking for natural ways to boost your memory and focus, adding rosemary to your daily diet or using rosemary essential oil can be an effective strategy to enhance your mental capacity. 3. Supporting heart health. Rosemary is not only a flavorful herb, but can also be beneficial for heart health. Studies suggest that rosemary contains active compounds such as rosmarinic acid, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially contributing to cardiovascular health. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, factors associated with heart disease. Additionally, rosemary can help reduce blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and decrease the risk of blood clots. Therefore, incorporating rosemary into your diet can be a natural and tasty way to support heart health and promote a healthy cardiovascular system. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rosemary is known for its aromatic and flavorful properties, but it can also offer anti-inflammatory benefits. Studies have shown that rosemary contains compounds that have potential anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various health conditions, including diabetes, arthritis, and autoimmune diseases. By incorporating rosemary into your daily diet, whether through teas, seasonings, or essential oils, you can take advantage of its natural anti-inflammatory compounds. 5. Boosts mood and relieves stress. Rosemary is not just a flavorful herb, but can also have a positive impact on our mood. Studies indicate that rosemary has properties that can boost mood and relieve stress. It is believed that its active compounds can act as natural antidepressant and anxiolytic agents. Additionally, the aroma of rosemary has been associated with improved mood and stress relief. It also aids liver health. Rosemary has been recognized for its benefits in liver health. Studies suggest that the compounds present in rosemary can help protect the liver from damage and promote its health. These compounds have properties that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Furthermore, rosemary can help reduce fatty liver, which is associated with health problems such as fatty liver disease. 7. Helps prevent skin aging. The compounds present in rosemary help combat free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and accelerate the aging process. Additionally, rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness and inflammation in the skin. By including rosemary in your diet or using skincare products containing this ingredient, we can enjoy the benefits of maintaining healthy, radiant, and younger-looking skin. 8. Antimicrobial properties. Rosemary has antimicrobial properties that help combat the proliferation of unwanted microorganisms. Studies show that rosemary essential oil contains compounds such as rosmarinic acid, which have antimicrobial activity against different bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These properties make rosemary an ally in the prevention and treatment of infections. In addition to helping purify the environment, 9. Supports respiratory health. Rosemary is known for its support of respiratory health due to its expectorant and decongestant properties. It can help relieve symptoms of respiratory problems such as cough, nasal congestion, and bronchitis. Rosemary essential oil contains compounds that have a relaxing effect on the muscles of the respiratory tract, promoting opening and facilitating air passage. Additionally, its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help combat respiratory infections. Rosemary tea can also be used as a natural remedy to relieve congestion and promote overall respiratory health. Hair growth. Due to its stimulating properties, rosemary is believed to help improve blood circulation in the scalp, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. Additionally, rosemary contains antioxidants that help combat damage caused by free radicals and protect hair follicles. Rosemary essential oil can also be used to massage the scalp, which helps stimulate circulation and strengthen hair strands. However, it is important to note that more research is needed to fully confirm the benefits of rosemary for hair growth, and each person may have different results. 11. Helps with muscle pain. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which make it an ally in relieving muscle pain. Topical use of rosemary essential oil can help relax muscles, reduce tension and discomfort. Additionally, rosemary can help improve blood circulation, which contributes to muscle health. Its active compounds, such as rosmarinic acid, have shown positive effects in reducing inflammation associated with muscle pain. However, it is important to remember that rosemary can have different effects on each individual and consulting. A healthcare professional is always recommended for proper guidance. These benefits are based on preliminary studies and research, and results may vary from person to person. It is always important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen or supplements. Tips on how to use rosemary to achieve these benefits. Rosemary tea. Prepare a rosemary infusion by adding a few leaves to hot water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain and drink. Rosemary tea can be consumed daily to enjoy its medicinal properties. Seasoning for food. Add fresh or dried rosemary as a seasoning to your meals. Can be used in meats, poultry, fish, roasted vegetables, sauces, and marinades. In addition to adding flavor, rosemary also adds health benefits. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil can be used topically for massages or mixed in vegetable oils for skin and hair care. Add a few drops to a carrier oil before applying to the skin or scalp. Steam inhalation. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to hot water and inhale the steam. This can help decongest the respiratory tract and relieve respiratory problems. Aromatic sachets. Place rosemary leaves in fabric sachets and put them in closets, drawers, or pillows to enjoy the invigorating aroma of rosemary. Remember to always check if you are not allergic to rosemary and consult a healthcare professional before starting any plant-based treatment. Share your experiences, questions, and suggestions in the comments below. Your contribution is valuable and can help other subscribers to the channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And for you to continue learning, I'm leaving 2 videos on the end screen that I'm sure you'll like.